Here I have Dongfeng Box, and let me show you how to use the home screen of this car. So as you can see, this is the standard home screen of Dongfeng Box. Here you can do a couple of tricks and a couple of settings that you can set up here. Alright, so first of all, you've got here this lamp. If you tap the lamp, you can open the ambient lighting. For example, you can tap on to enable the ambient lighting. You can increase the brightness of this ambient lighting and choose the color, one of the preset one, or you can choose the random color. Alright, so this was the first thing to do. The second one, you've got here a cat. You can tap the cat to move him. You can set up your status, your personal status. For example, honesty is the best policy. Status renewed, be happy. As you can see, you can open this drawer to save some favorite application. Let me tap add app. You don't have a lot of apps to choose, but in my case, for example, let me add here multimedia. Tap yes. Okay. Here you can also tap this gramophone. If you tap it, you will open the music player. In this case is radio. Let's go to the home screen. You can of course use this upper bar, for example, to open Bluetooth connection, to open, for example, the wireless charging. And you can of course use the down bar. Here you've got car settings, multimedia, air conditioning, fan control. Here you can also defrost your windshield. Use phone icon to make some calls if you have connected your device, and use the apps icon to open all apps. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.